Hello everyone, Morgan here. I've never done an unboxing before, but I thought it was relevant to do it with the MIRA Safety. So let me go ahead and show you this. Here is the mask. I'll show you that in just a second. It also comes with a canteen, and I will show you that in just a second as well. So there are instructions, of course. All right, so we take it out of the plastic, open it up. Ooh, this is such a pretty. Oh, there you go. Look at this mask. Man, this is like stout. Okay, I have some other gas masks, but this one, stout, man. Okay, so it does come with this canteen, and you may be wondering, how are you supposed to use this while you have a gas mask? I've actually always wanted a canteen with my gas mask, and this one happened to come with that. Now, this little apparatus was stuck right here, so it's just kind of like off to the side. You take it off, you're gonna take this, and you're going to see that little hole. You're just gonna put it in there like so. Okay, I just want to let you know, you really got to like push it in there hard. You got to twist this sucker in there hard, like twist and push and push. You got to use some muscle, okay? Of course, then inside, right here, there's a little tube that you suck the water from. So that's really nice. You know, I like the canteen. I think I would really like a longer tube or something, or like I'm going to have a pouch to put this canteen in on like my tack vest or something like that, because it's so short, and I'm going to show you here in just a second what I mean, and you can probably imagine what I mean. Okay, so it's very important that gas masks are as suction to your face and head as possible. If you know anything about gas masks, you know, you would know that you put this on your face, you have the filter out here, which I'm going to show you the filter in just 1 minute, and then you put it on your face, and you need to tighten down all these straps and things that you see in order to make sure that it's as suction to your face as possible. That prevents, you know, any of the bad things that you're trying to prevent breathing in from getting in. So, you know, people with beards and things like that, you really got to shave it. You don't have to do anything special. You just have to find it first. There you go. You just pull. You're pulling one way or the other. Pulling that way, pulling this way. Okay. So again, I'm not going to make it super tight. I wanted to see if my glasses would fit. Dang it, glasses. No. All right, my glasses don't fit. I don't know. I just thought, you know, and I'm talking over here about suction and all this, and I'm like, let's see if my glasses will fit. All right, there we go. So this is what I mean about the canteen. This is kind of hinged, which isn't real big of a deal. And I can find the, you can't see it, but I'm sucking in right there. All right. It's a really nice fit though. Like if I tighten this down, look at that. It's a really nice fit. I can see really well too. Like I really like this big screen here. I love it. Now, I need to see if MIRA Safety has any glasses inserts. There are mask eyeglasses inserts for like a lot of Israeli masks. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, there are glasses inserts for Israeli masks, but I'm going to go on their website right now to see if they have any glasses inserts. So it looks like they do. Of course they do. They have the MIRA Vision Spectacle Kit for these gas masks. This is the one I have, the CM-6M. So they do have that, and I'm very interested in purchasing that and getting that because it would be a really secure way that's like actually made for the mask. And you can also upload your prescription here so that you can have them as prescriptions. And I think that's really neat. Okay, I told you guys I was going to show you the filter. Here is the filter that comes with it. Now, so this filter came separately, it didn't come in the box. But this is the filter, and I'm not even going to open it. As soon as you open it, you really should be prepared to use it for however long, you know. So this actually says it has a best by date of 2042. So the mask is a best by date of 2040, And then the gas mask has a best buy date of 2042. So the 2042, what I would do, since gas masks do have, so this is 2042. This actually has a long shelf life. Like, I can't believe it has that long. I thought gas mask filters were much shorter shelf life, but this has a super long shelf life. So what I would consider doing is buying a new filter once a year so that I can kind of have like a rotation going, you know what I mean? So like, if I happen to use one, I still have plenty that are still good, but like when this expires, I'll still have the other ones from the other years. Next 1 year, that won't expire, blah, blah, blah. And these filters do expire, so take those expiration very seriously, okay? So they actually have a variety of types of filters that filter different stuff that you can choose from. So like there's this one that will protects against a wide range of harmful and highly toxic chemicals for $80. Lightweight and affordable option for long-term pandemic preparedness, a particle filter, and long-lasting with almost the 3 times the activated carbon of the competitors. So I have this one, and this one is $80. You know, like spending $80 a year for a new filter that lasts, I mean, 20 years. That's really good. 20-year shelf life. That's amazing. I feel like that's just such an amazing shelf life. You know, the Israeli ones that I have, they have like 5 years. I'm going to be real with you guys. I just bought the Israeli gas mask like years and years ago, before MIRA Safety was actually even a thing, I'm pretty sure. MIRA Safety didn't come on the scene until years after I bought those Israeli, and I was really like hardcore about those Israeli gas masks. But after having this in my hands, honestly, I think MIRA is the way to go. You know, I mean, they just are. This type of quality compared to my Israeli one, hands down, this is better. This is more stout, more sturdy, easier to use. I really love that this one actually comes with the Canteen. Of course it hangs there, but whatever, right? I'll just get a little pouch. I'll just right there, okay? It's super easy to use. You can have 2 filters, 1 on each side. You can actually hear. I know you guys could hear me. It does have those spectacles inside. You know, you set yourself and your family up for this. Honestly, I'm just really impressed. And they have an Affirm in which you can pay a little bit every month. I just think it's really worth it. Like I said, I was super skeptical, and I would not be reviewing this, and I would not be giving this review if I didn't feel this way. I feel strongly about having the right equipment for the right job. And I think everything that they have is super high quality, and you will pay for that high quality for sure. You know, you're going to see these prices and probably go like I did at first, but it's worth it. 100,000% it's worth it. And I'm actually going to go invest in a couple more things from their website for my kids and for everything else. But this was kind of like a test, see like how it's going to work out for me. Really impressed. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go check this out for yourself and everything else that they have to offer. And I hope to be reviewing a lot more, especially for my kids. I want their detoxifier, like I talked about in my previous video, and a couple other things from their website, like their spectacles and all that. You know, the filters will only last for so long, you know, 12 to 24 hours, something like that. And then you have to replace the filter over and over again. So, you know, and once the filter is used, you know, that's it. You know, you're going to need another filter, and like you can't use the filter and then put it back, all these other things. So you have to be realistic about what you're going to be using this for. What happened in Ohio, definitely something you would have wanted one of these masks for. And I'm not trying to fear monger or anything like that, but that's definitely something you would have wanted it for. For the pandemic, I don't know, maybe, but I think that was probably a little extreme in that case. But other pandemics that are airborne, you know, like in my previous video where we were talking about the spores from The Last of Us and things like that, where you really would have wanted something like this. You know, if you were walking through high, you know, contaminated areas, you know, chemical spills, things like that. These are what you want if you ever had to go out. Even a volcano explosion with the ash and everything coming down, you'd want a gas mask for something like that. You know, if you live in type of area where that could potentially happen. So just some thoughts and ideas. You know, if you were ever to go outside of your home, this gas mask would be it. Of course, you wouldn't be using it 24 hours a day unless you were outside 24 hours a day for some reason.
But stock up on those filters like once a year, you know, have a good supply because it lasts so long you can. Keep them in good condition and treat them well. Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Links down below in the description. Talk to you later. Bye.